So we want to find out, there's two boxes basically. One's smaller and one's larger. What's going on here? And what we're doing is we want to find out the area that's left between the two for filling up with styrofoam peanuts for shipping. So what's going to be, we need to make sure we pick the larger box. So it's just going to be length times width times height. So it's going to be 12 times 18 times 15 minus 8 times 14 times 12. Should put inches there so we get cubic inches. But so what's going to happen here? So the big one's going to be 3,240. And the smaller one, I'm doing these calculations in a separate screen. It's going to be 1,344. And of course you see the answer up here, but the final result is equal to 1,896 cubic inches. And that's it. Alrighty, I hope this helped you out. I appreciate you watching the video, and you have yourself a great day.